Hello, young storytellers. Welcome back to our channel, where stories come alive and lessons are learned in the most fun way possible. Today we have a special activity based on the classic tale of the Little Red Hen. Are you ready to test your memory and have some fun with a quiz? Let's see how well you remember the story. Here's how it works. We'll ask you a series of questions and you can answer with either yes or no, or choose from multiple choice options. Get ready because here comes the first question. Question 1. Did the Little Red Hen find wheat seeds? That's right, yes! She found wheat seeds and started the whole adventure!
Question 2. Did the cat help the Little Red Hen plant the wheat? Correct, no, the cat didn't help at all.
Question 3. Did the Little Red Hen bake bread at the end of the story? Yes, she did, and it smelled delicious. Question 4. Did the other animals refuse to eat the bread? That's right, no. They wanted to eat the bread, but they hadn't helped make it. Question 5. Did the Little Red Hen decide to share the bread with the animals who didn't help? Correct, no. She decided to enjoy it all by herself because they didn't help. Great job, everyone. Now let's move on to some multiple choice questions. Ready? Here we go. Question 6. What did the Little Red Hen find in the field? A. Corn. B. Wheat seeds. C. Apples. D. Carrots. Yes, the answer is B. Wheat seeds. Question 7. Which of the following animals did not help the Little Red Hen? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Duck. D. All of the above. Correct. The answer is D. All of the above. None of the animals helped her. Question 8. What did the Little Red Hen do with the wheat after it was grown? A. Sold it at the market. B. Gave it to the other animals. C. Took it to the mill to make flour. D. Threw it away. Yes, the answer is C. Took it to the mill to make flour. Question 9. What lesson did the Little Red Hen teach the other animals? A. The importance of sharing. B. The value of hard work. C. How to cook. D. How to grow wheat. Correct, the answer is B. The value of hard work. Last question, everyone. Question 10. What did the Little Red Hen do after baking the bread? A. Shared it with everyone. B. Ate it all by herself. C. Gave it to the cat. D. Sold it. Right again, the answer is B. Ate it all by herself. Fantastic job, everyone. You've all done an amazing job remembering the story of the Little Red Hen. Remember, just like the Little Red Hen taught us, hard work and helping others are important lessons. If you enjoyed this quiz, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun activities and stories. Until next time, keep reading and learning. Bye-bye.